Today we have the 2016 Bmw X1. This vehicle has done just over 74,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access media, radio, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between sport, comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.